Good afternoon from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. A little bit stormy out there, but no less, still a beautiful day. And if you can't appreciate the stormy days, then you can certainly not appreciate the nice days because they go hand in hand, just like everything else in life. Listen, I'm going to keep this report real short because I am super tired. I was up at 4 a.m. fishing, caught myself a couple nice fish. Take a look at this one. Little mahi and beautiful colors on these things. And listen, I admit it's not a bunch of fish. It's not like 20 of those things in a bucket, but no less had a fun day, beautiful day on the water. And I was actually, you see my little pointy thing right here? You see this pier? I was out, way out here. You could almost not see me on my boat heading south when I caught that little fish right here. And actually south of Port Everglades and right around Miami Beach. About 800 feet of water. We caught that dolphin. We caught a nice little wahoo as well, and a little tuna. Not a lot of fish on the boat, but still a nice day. And there was a bunch of storm clouds out like this, but when you have the right kind of tools, you can kind of move around them. So I'm not here to talk about fishing. Just telling you about my day and why I'm so damn tired, and I'm going to keep this report short. I think I made a longer fishing report than I'm going to make a gold report. So look, before I get into gold and what it did today and what we talked about yesterday and what the prices might be tomorrow, like this article, want you to read it. The Mises Institute doesn't do a lot of articles on gold. They're primarily kind of like a libertarian think tank. I like their stuff, but I really wouldn't point you here. I'm not trying to persuade you in politics at all. My goal here is to educate you about gold. And I did like this article, so I do want you to go to the Mises Institute and read this, type in this, How Fear and Uncertainty Drives Demand for Gold. Type in Mises Institute, put it in Google or whatever search engine you use. I prefer DuckDuckGoose because it keeps your searches private. However, whatever search engine you use, just type in this right here. And you can pause the video to remember this because I don't think you can cut and paste it on videos. Anyways, good read, very interesting. And again, I'm kind of a little bit tired, so I won't go into it. And I want you to read this stuff for yourself. I don't want to just kind of read excerpts because that's what news and corporate media does. They give you like 30 seconds of news for most Americans' short attention spans. So if you don't read this, I'll be very disappointed in you. And I kind of liked it. It's a good article. World spot prices are still open. Let me refresh this window and take a look. And it looks like, yeah, they're still open. New York closes at 1933.80. You know, I am so tired right now, I can't remember what the coin said and what I said. I think the coin said the market was going to be down a little bit, and it was down as far as New York goes, 24.90. But I think the coin did say it was going to be down. It had a bear on it yesterday. So the coin was right as far as New York goes. Same thing with silver. Again, I can't remember off the top of my head. I've been up since 4 a.m., and I know most of you work much harder and probably up at 3 a.m. working, so I respect that. And I'm not going to complain about me getting up at 4 a.m. to go fishing. So I had a great, wonderful day, but my memory's shit right now, so sorry. So 27.12, it looks like silver closed at. But, you know, this 27 level, 19 level, even if I don't remember what happened all week, wow. This is fine. We're in a bull market. You know, we're going to have these little ups and downs. We're going to have pullbacks. We're going to have pauses. We're going to have monkey hammering when you see these big, giant decreases in precious metal prices. But they won't last long. They just shoot right back up. And if you really look at it, we're holding on to this 1950 level because more or less it's not too far from there. 27. We're holding 25 plus. I like it. Nothing wrong with this. If you can buy the dips, great. And as far as platinum goes, still too cheap. Palladium, who gives a shit? Sorry about that. But nobody asked about it. I don't invest in it. And anyways, I can get it for you if you want it. That's all I'm going to say at this point. So world spot prices are a little bit higher. So yesterday, I believe the markets had dropped. Today, they dropped a little bit on a stronger dollar. I think yesterday was based on a stronger dollar at least. I don't know what today was based on because I was fishing. But anyways, it sounded like I was bragging, so I am sorry for people that actually work today, but this was the first day off I've had in 6 months since this COVID thing, so I was happy to get out and get a little bit of fishing done. With that said, again, I won't digress here. World markets are up, so here's that little trend I was talking about. Unless the dollar ticks up stronger, which I don't think it will. I think it had its moment yesterday, and again, I think dollar up. When dollars get stronger, we'll have its moments. That's about it. I think we're in moments with a stronger dollar, not in any kind of lengthy bull dollar market. Not at all. Moments. And that'll just kind of roll back silver and gold prices just a tiny bit when that happens, when you see a stronger dollar. And that's what happened yesterday. Right now, we're seeing a stronger price in gold on the world aftermarkets, world spot prices. And same thing with silver. We're seeing a little bit stronger price. The trend, unless the dollar is a little bit stronger tomorrow, like it happened yesterday, which kind of knocked it down, it looks like the trend says that we may see par value or a little bit higher tomorrow. And I'm looking for my coin. I don't see it here, so I'm not going to toss a coin. I won't lie to you. We're not going to do a pretend toss because that's not the way we roll here at Commercial Wear Coins. And Marcelo would not let me get away with it anyway. I wouldn't do it anyway. But I think we're going to have, personally, I think we're going to have par value or not market on New York tomorrow. So I think you're going to see higher prices than this tomorrow in New York. So let's see what happens. I'll let you know. I don't want to go too long-winded because I promised a short report tonight. And that's really about it. Oh, Turkish news. And not like I follow Turkish news. I don't even know what a Turkish news station looks like. But anyways, I was reading a short article. Turkish folks were buying a lot of gold because they were afraid of their currency and the kind of like a hyperinflationary event. Well, you know what? I don't blame them. Their country is led by an idiot, so just my opinion. And he's not doing much to help the people in Turkey. And the people, instead of hanging on to gold, hanging on to their currencies, their Turkish currencies, are putting it into gold and silver. And there's even been some extremes I've heard of people selling their homes and selling other things to buy gold and silver. So I'm not quite sure about that, but I'll take a look into it. I'll let you know when I am a little bit less tired. So thanks for watching. I think tomorrow precious metal prices based on the aftermarkets are going to be par value, maybe a little bit higher than what the New York closed at today. As you can see, I'm circling it right now. So let's see what happens. And that's it for today. This is Brian Kuzmar from Commercial Wear Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Call us anytime at 954-493-8811 between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Mondays through Fridays for pricing information. We will tell you what we're buying or selling any of the major products for. You just got to tell us how much you're looking to buy. And if you want an education, I wish we could do it on the phone, but we've been so busy that we can only offer a brief education on the phone. But I tell you what, you come in, I will make sure that someone, myself, will spend as much time as we can explaining to you certain products, what the best products are to buy, what you should look for, and all the knowledge that I have built up over 40 years. I'm happy to share that because it only makes my customers wealthier, and if it makes you wealthier, it makes me wealthier. Thanks for watching. And I appreciate you putting up with my fishing video there. So have a good evening. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Good night.